In this week's Higher Ed Highlights, Day 2 of a visit to Northwest Ohio took Chancellor Carey and other Department of Higher Education staff members to Owens Community College and Bowling Green State University. At Owens, ODHE staff took a tour of some newly renovated spaces, including a one-stop student center that covers admissions, advising, and career and transfer services. From there, the tour continued in College Hall, which houses equipment purchased through ODHE's RAPIDS program. The electrical mobile trainers are used to teach basic and advanced schematic skills, preparing students for jobs with such workforce partners as First Solar and Dana Corporation.
A student comes into these classes and they really don't have any fundamental understanding of how that electron moves or how to wire anything. So the Mike would use this equipment to start out kind of basic, how to wire something very simple and understand how the electron flows. And as he moves up, you can see there's a lot more to these trainers that we teach them parallel and series, and obviously when we get to this point there's a nice string of wires there. It makes it a little more complicated.
Chancellor Carey and his staff concluded the day at Bowling Green State University with an informal discussion that included Bowling Green President Dr. Rodney Rogers, State Senator Randy Gardner, and members of the university staff. BG Professor Dr. George Bullerjan kicked off the meeting by providing an update on the university's role in the state's harmful algal bloom research efforts. Bullerjan will direct the university's new Lake Erie Center for Fresh Waters and Human Health. The group then heard a presentation from Dawn Chanou, Dean of BG's College of Education and Human Development, about a program funded by an ODHE Innovation Grant. The P16 Pathways of Promise program is meant to identify key performance indicators of college readiness and use them to help school districts develop plans to increase the college readiness of future graduates. Look for Higher Ed Highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed. And check out our website at ohiohighered.org. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for another round of Higher Ed Highlights.